this K-pop. I like K-pop. 69 million views. We could try that. Do you guys want to dance to that? All right, let's do a dance again. Let's try this one, Stray Kids. See if we like it. What is this? Okay, seems to be like a video. Somebody's all tied up. Wait, somebody's being tied up here. I don't know if I like this. Somebody's all tied up. Is this a good video? It's called Stray Kids. It has 69 million views. I don't like this video. Somebody tied up. Hopefully it's okay. I'm trusting you guys. We'll watch it and listen anyway. Come over closer, hold me tight right now. Wow, these people are good dancers. All right, I'm gonna get up and